Our business name is Living Things Funeral Homes. Our strength is our emotional support, and we have established traditions and experienced professionals. Our weaknesses are emotional challenges, high cost services, and limited customization.
In our opportunities, personalized services, pre-planning, digital memorialization, then our threats is competition with larger chains, changing consumer preference, economic uncertainty.
Aja huwag sabaw.
Some WO weaknesses and opportunities offer personalized services and customized memorization option to meet the unique needs of families instead of limited customization. The weakness is, namin sa weakness ang opportunities are personalized services and customized memorization. Then our weakness is limited customization. We want to address that from limited customization into personalized services.
In our home life, stay strike and flex. Use repetition and professionals to services and compete with larger chains. Then ang among strength is experience professionals. Then ang among traits is compete with larger chains.
Ang among weakness of threats, among strategy is mitigate perception of high-cost services by adapting to the changing consumer preferences. Ang among weakness is the high-cost services and the threat is the changing consumer preferences.
Thank you.